Is now the right time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 13, 2023, and today we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. We don't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has ranked Broadcom as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Throughout this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a remarkable gain of 18.15% since we first recommended buying Broadcom just 5 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has been delivering a daily return of 3.63% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, it is difficult to predict the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has experienced a significant upward trend, breaking through strong resistance levels. This indicates a strong rate of ascent, with potential for further gains. In the event of a pullback, there is now support at the previous trend high of $1,040.28. This level may present a second opportunity for the stock to continue its upward momentum. According to fan theory, the next possible trend top level is $1,162.99, which could act as a resistance level initially. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 20.29% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.29% to 14.84%. The 12-month trend suggests a 67.35% change over the next year, with a potential return between 36.04% and 70.73%. This implies a price range of $1,482.43 to $1,860.42 after 12 months. Our latest update on Broadcom brings exciting news. The stock price experienced a green day on Wednesday, gaining 1.62%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, December 13, 2023, the Broadcom stock price rose from $1,072.28 to $1,089.69. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $1,063.41 and a high of $1,099.78, representing a 3.42% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 15.82% increase over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 2 million, with a total of 7 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.53 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $1,099.78, while the lowest was $540.92. Currently, the stock price is 0.92%, or $10.09, below the 52-week high of $1,099.78, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Today, we'll be looking at the latest analyst ratings for Broadcom. B. Riley recently gave Broadcom a neutral grade with a downgrade action. Piper Sandler also issued a neutral grade with a hold action. But there's some good news. B. Riley Securities upgraded Broadcom to a buy grade. In previous news, Cowen and Company gave Broadcom a market perform grade with a hold action. And finally, Summit Insights Group upgraded Broadcom to a buy grade. Analysts have a positive outlook on Broadcom stock, giving it a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious view and rate the stock as neutral. Let's take a look at the signals that have been identified for Broadcom stock. The Broadcom stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $982.08 and $931.86. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 20.59%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. It's important to note that the volume fell during the last trading day despite the gain in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. There have also been some negative signals issued, which could potentially influence the stock's short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator shows a sell signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short moving average shows a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. When it comes to Broadcom, there's an important support level to keep in mind. The stock finds support from accumulated volume at $1,072.28. This means that when the stock is being tested at this level, it may present a buying opportunity. We can expect an upwards reaction to occur. It's worth noting that Broadcom has average movements during the day, making it a stock with moderate risk. It's important to consider the trading volume, as it indicates the level of risk. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that the stock moved $36.37 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 3.42% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.83%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Broadcom, let's first cover some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Broadcom's PE ratio falls within the range of what is considered normal. This is often seen in companies with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 29, 2024. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for Broadcom. When analyzing the stock, we find that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This suggests that under the right conditions, Broadcom could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Broadcom comes across its first support level at $1,072.28. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point for traders, anticipating a rebound in the stock. Broadcom has received a strong buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 3, 2023, Tan Hock E bought 179,400 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On November 3, 2023, AVGO sold 84,561 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On November 3, 2023, AVGO sold 15,757 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On November 3, 2023, Charlie B bought 35,880 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On November 3, 2023, Charlie B sold 17,790 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 43.737. In total, insiders have purchased 1,914,949 shares and sold 833,442 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $1,056.13, which represents a decrease of 3.08%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 5 days ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? While Broadcom holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it should be considered a hold candidate, with potential for accumulation as we await further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, December 14th, we expect Broadcom to open down -$5.40 and start trading at $1,084.29. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Share your thoughts by commenting below. We want to hear if you agree or disagree with our current view of the stock. Also, let us know what your target is for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.